sabi ko sa kanya, sabi ko, in my head, actually, in my head, sabi ko, this is the only time I'm gonna look up, sabi ko sa kanya.
Next time you're gonna look down.
Yeah, I'm gonna look down next time.
So hindi problema sa'yo na sobrang yung height advantage sa'yo?
Hindi naman, sa akin to me is a challenge. Kasi, ganun yung isip ko eh. Gusto ko yung challenge. So, tinitingnan ko itong laban na to na malaking challenge. So, I'm gonna have fun.
How do you feel at this point? Siya daw, 11 years ago siya lumalaban sa 120.
And he said you were fighting.
Sabi naman ni Vasquez that he's been fighting in 122. So, all his life, he said the same thing. Nakita mo na sa katawan namin, mas malaki yung katawan ko kaysa sa kanya. Matangkad siya, pero mas malaki yung katawan ko.
So you got your whole training team.
Basil. Ito si Basil. He's the one that made me got this. Hindi mo naman makikita to last night, di ba? Wala ako.
Yes.
Ngayon, talagang may masa na ako sa we worked on it all throughout the
So you
gym.
feel like
At saka kita mo yung shoulder ko, lumalaki talaga.
you like it, huh? You like
Oh, I love it. I love it.
What did you do different then?
We did more. Actually, this time, consistent ako ngayon. Kasi noon, marami akong rest days. This time, araw-araw kami nandun, every day.
You do the weight training, plyometrics,
Plyometrics, no weight training.
so it's body weight.
Body weight.
Yeah, body weight. And it's ironic because yung nag-visit sa akin ito is Daddy Inosanto, one of Lucy's best friend. You know, so it was ironic. I thought it was coincident na nandito siya because yung attire ko was like the Game of Death. Diba with Bruce Lee with the yellow at saka yung black. Yun yung attire ko for the fight. So he came in actually without even knowing it first. And then it was a coincidence that he came and you know it was amazing. I mean, just to be around him was just amazing.
A taller guy, obviously, you're going to go to the body. And look at his body and you know that he's going to go.
Well, the thing about me is, I'm pretty smart with it. I mean, simulating the sparring. Kahit sa body, kahit sa ulo, makukuha ko sila.
Sabi ni Robert, you enjoy fighting taller guys than smaller guys.
I love kasi nakikita ko yung difference eh. Ang nakikita ko is malaki ako, matangkad ako palagi, di ba? So gusto ko makita yung ako yung mas bababa sa kaysa sa kalaban ko to see and to teach myself both ways to fighting.
What's next for you?
Anybody. For me, just gotta get past Matibula, get the best belt, and then go for another belt.
They're talking about fight in Manila, maybe against you.
That would be incredible. That would be a great honor to fight again.
So you want to win by KO?
Hindi naman ako nagre-predict, but ako pag lumalaban ako palagi, gusto ko manalo. So hopefully, we can do that.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you guys. Good luck to you. Hey, Rich.